sex determination in humans. That is generally about sex determination and also in human beings. So sex determination, actually it involves the chromosomes, right? Chromosomal determination of sex. So initially when scientists were discovering about the sex determination, that is how to distinguish between a male and a female organism, first they studied in insects, right? And then they came to the conclusion about the role of chromosomes or the genetic basis of sex determination. So what are the sex chromosomes? The sex chromosomes are also called allosomes. Okay, the other chromosomes, that is the chromosomes which are involved in the other body functions, they are called the autosomes. So there are two types of chromosomes. One is an autosome, the other one is an allosome. The chromosomes that are involved in sex determination are called the sex chromosomes or allosomes. So these include actually X and Y chromosomes. For example, if you take the human beings, there are about 46 chromosomes, right? And among these 46, that is 23 pairs, or you can say it as 23 pairs. And among these, that one pair or the two chromosomes are called the allosomes, and the other 44 or 22 pairs are called the autosomes, right? So these two chromosomes are X and Y chromosomes. So on what basis we are as a male or a female? So based on the presence of this X and Y chromosome. So autosomes are the chromosomes other than sex chromosomes. Okay. So the number of autosomes is same in males and the female. So both in male and female, the autosomes, if you take the human beings, it is only 22 pairs. Both in male and female. So only thing is they differ in the X and Y chromosome. Okay. So the main chromosomes that are involved in the sex determination in human beings are X and Y chromosomes. Okay, so all the other chromosomes, that is the autosomes, is same in males and females. So how they found out is, that is scientist Henking in the year 1891, he studied spermatogenesis. So what is spermatogenesis? That is the formation of the sperms, right? The spermatogenesis in some insects. So he studied in some insects. So only in insects they first discovered, okay, and he observed that 50% of the sperm, that is 50% of the sperm, received a nuclear structure after spermatogenesis. That is only after the formation, that is after the process of spermatogenesis, they received the nuclear structures. And other 50% of the sperm, they did not receive it. So then Henking, he called this structure as the X body. That is what we are now calling it as X chromosome. He studied and he found that and he called it as X body in insects. And now it is called the X chromosome. Okay. So he studied the spermatogenesis and he named it as X body, which is called the X chromosome.